Good morning, everyone. It's an early morning here in Atlantic Canada, Halifax, Nova Scotia. It is 6:35, which is early. Today is another episode of a how-to video on dry, cracked lips, sore lips, cracked lips, flaking lips. I'm Eccentrics from Eccentrics Beauty Essentials, and I'm here to help. So first off, we want to talk about how can you fix your dry, cracked lips. If they're sore, you're going to have to use a hydrating lip balm. And when I say hydrating lip balm, I'm referring to a nourishing, replenishing, one that boosts up the hyaluronic acid into your lips as well. So we want to avoid plumping ones, firming ones, etc. One important thing that people ask me all the time is, Eccentrics, should I use BLISTEX? The answer is absolutely not. BLISTEX contains camphor and menthol. So yes, it will provide immediate relief for dry, cracked lips. However, because of the menthol and the camphor in it, you just create a ring around your mouth that's going over and over and over, and it creates an addiction to the product, hence why you keep going through so much product. And at $4.99 at a local drugstore like Walgreens or Shoppers Drug Mart in Canada, they love it because you keep coming back and purchasing more product. Today what I want to talk to you about is Lancome's Nourishing Lip Balm. This is Lancome's Nourishing Lip Balm from Absolue Precious Cells. It is an absolute fabulous product. It retails for $70. I'm going to apply it onto my lips, just a tiny little bit. So in Eastern Canada, it is extremely dry, and I use this in the AM, but I also put it on at nighttime as well, because your skin regenerates itself at nighttime. And for me, going to bed, it helps, believe it or not, with me sleeping as well. So there I actually have the Lancome Precious Cells lip balm on. So super hydrating, super moisturizing, and it's a how to fix dry, cracked lips, especially if you're in a very colder climate as well. So in Canada, in Ontario, Toronto, Montreal, it is the perfect item to have in your makeup bag, ladies or men, and for me is an absolute must. The second product I'm going to talk to you about today, and speaking about fixing dry, cracked lips, one of the best ways to fix lips is to make sure that when you're in the shower, if you do have flakiness on your lips, if they're slightly cracked, is just to use a granule exfoliator. So just lightly buff in circular motions around your lips, and that will remove any of the dry flakiness that you may be experiencing. That being said, we're going to move into a plumping product. Now this is the NEostrata Stricevtin Double Fix for Lips Plumping and Vertical Line Treatment from NEostrata. This is a dermatologist tested product. It is absolutely amazing. I used to smoke many years ago, ladies and men, and I do have larger lips than most people, but for me, I still want bigger lips. I guess it could be a gay thing, it could be just that I want bigger lips. Anyways, so it's a dual phase product. So we have plumping on one side, and we have a vertical lip treatment to help with vertical fine lines in around this area and deep lines as well. So I'm going to apply this, and yes, I can apply this. This is the plumping one. I can apply it over top of my Lancome lip product as well. So when I say firming and lifting, it boosts the collagen and elastin to your lips. And you'll notice sometimes a bit of a sting from it as well, as it helps to plump the lips up as well. So dual phase, we're going to close that part. The second part is a vertical line treatment. This goes around the top lip line for where those vertical lines are. Fine lines, especially great for smokers. Ladies, anyone that you know that smokes or if you smoke, this is a how-to on how to minimize those vertical lines. And voila, we are done. How to fix cracked lips. Simple, easy way. So make sure that you're subscribing to my channel, Eccentrics Beauty Essentials, and I'll be back later today with more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.